Well, Chris, are we going to see a break from all of this rain?
Eventually, we're going to get there. In the meantime, we have all those flash flood watches and warnings still in effect because of all that runoff and all the rain that we've seen falling over saturated ground. This ground just can't absorb it, so flooding still a huge concern. All the counties shaded in green, light green, are under a flash flood watch, including the metro until midnight tonight. The darker green colors, those are flash flood warnings. So even though the rain has stopped in some areas, there's still concern for flooding because of all the rain that's fallen in the past few days. And taking a look at the satellite and radar, you can just see how active it was earlier this evening into the afternoon hours. Most of the activity now is moving out of the state and northeastern New Mexico around Tucumcari and Clayton. You're getting a lot of rain right now. Also, some more storms popping up around Silver City and Grant County. All this activity is pushing to the east. It will eventually wind down tonight, but then we're going to see another round, unfortunately, of some more scattered storms tomorrow. That could produce some flooding problems as well. Temperatures right now sitting in the upper 50s in Taos at 59 degrees, 54 in Las Vegas. We're sitting in the upper 60s at 67 degrees in the metro, so it is rather cool and comfortable out there. 73 degrees right now in Alamogordo, and it's 70 degrees in Roswell. Expanding the picture and taking a look at the regional satellite and radar, we still have a low pressure system off to our north, and out ahead of it, we have a lot of moisture being pumped into the state. And on top of that, we have a cold front moving through northeastern New Mexico. So that's why folks in Clayton and Tucumcari are getting a lot of rain right now because of all that moisture and that front that is moving through the state. And this front's going to continue to push to the southwest during the overnight hours. So that's why we're going to have another chance for some more scattered storms, especially around the northern mountains and the central mountain chain on your Monday. And that chance for more storms is going to continue into Tuesday for central and western New Mexico. Now, we've picked up a lot of rain. Here are some of the rainfall totals beginning in the northwest. And Farmington, you picked up more than 2 inches of rain. That's 27% of your average total precipitation that you usually pick up for the year. So a lot has fallen, to put it in a little bit of perspective for you. And then in the southeast around Roswell and Carlsbad, a lot of flooding issues there earlier last week. And you've picked up more than 3 inches of rain in Roswell. That's 27% of your total rainfall for the year. That's fallen in the past week. And then in the northeast, check out Las Vegas. You got a lot of rain over the weekend and today, more than 6 inches of rain. That's 35% of your average total rainfall that's just fallen in the past few days. And here in the Sunport in Albuquerque, we've picked up 3.35 inches. That's 36% for us. And that makes this month, September, the wettest September ever in Albuquerque history. So just impressive numbers. And you can understand when you look at those numbers why we're seeing all the flooding around the state and more concerns on the way for tomorrow. And southern Colorado, temperatures climbing into the lower 70s, 71 degrees in Pagosa Springs, 76 in Cortez, with a chance for some storms for tomorrow. And that chance will continue for Tuesday and Wednesday. And Farmington, you'll climb into the lower 80s, upper 70s in Gallup and Grants, with a chance for more storms in the northwest. And then we'll see a few leftover storms on Tuesday and Wednesday before we completely dry things out on Thursday and Friday, with temperatures hovering in the lower 80s this week in Farmington. In the southwest, we'll have temperatures ranging from the upper 70s to the upper 80s. In Alamogordo, you'll make it to 89 degrees with a chance for some more storms, and that chance for storms will continue on Tuesday. And we'll have to watch out for flooding again around the Gila. And then in the southeast, temperatures ranging from the middle 60s and Cloudcroft. You folks got hammered today with a lot of rain, as we showed you earlier. And unfortunately, more is in the forecast for the Sacramento Mountains and the southeast for tomorrow and also into Tuesday. In the northeast, we have those showers moving through right now, and more could be on the way with that front passing through the region for tomorrow. Temperatures holding in the lower 70s in Las Vegas, middle to upper 70s by the middle of the week. And then over the northern mountains, we have some storms out there right now. Temperatures in the upper 60s for highs tomorrow in Chama, to the upper 70s in Espanola, 73 degrees for high temperature in Santa Fe. And then in the East Mountains, we'll continue with that chance for storms for tomorrow. Temperatures climbing into the middle to upper 70s. And then in the metro, temperatures slightly warmer. We'll climb back into the upper 70s, lower 80s. And then we'll see that chance for some more storms for tomorrow. And that chance for storms will continue on Monday and Tuesday, with a few maybe pop-up storms during the afternoon on Wednesday and Thursday. But we're not talking about the activity that we've seen over the past few days by the middle and end of the week. So we need to dry out so that rain can be absorbed by the ground, or else we're just going to continue with these flooding problems.